Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 05 Saab 9.3 convertible. This thing is awesome. 59,000 miles, 9.3 Aero. Oh, why'd they kill these things off? Well, GM went bankrupt, but that's besides the point. AC is a beautiful thing. And then, of course, you got the night panel where it shuts everything off. Funniest cup holder in the world. That still works. Heated seats. The backup camera is your mirrors, although it does have parking sensors. It's an 05. They didn't have backup cameras back then. And if they did, they were in the Mercedes S-Class, which was the pinnacle of luxury at the time. Now, when I say this drives like a brand new car, this drives like a brand new car. Something about Saabs. I've always loved Saabs. They're phenomenal cars. We, back where I work, we got a 2011 9.5 on trade, had 280,000 miles. I still took the thing home, and I loved it. As a matter of fact, it's one of my most popular videos. For some reason, everybody else loves Saabs too, but they're just fun, quirky cars. It's actually, it doesn't drive like it's, of course I just stepped out of a 911, so taking everything with a grain of salt, and I drove my Boxster to the dealership, so very used to sports cars today, but it's very comfortable. Seats are comfortable, everything's very nice, relaxed, steering isn't too heavy without being completely numb. I keep looking back and realizing this is an 05, and it is in really good shape for an 05. Back before safety features took over everything, so you can actually see out the windows. Plenty of torque from the Turbo 4. I want to say it's a 2-liter. I don't know off the top of my head. Comfortable, quiet enough on the highway. Brakes are good, actually. Do have paddle shifters up on the steering wheel. You just use them with your thumb, downshift, upshift. Auto dimming mirror. And if you ever are curious what these are for in Volvos and other Swedish cars, on highways out there, that's where you put your registration and your toll easy pass kind of stuff. Obviously I say easy pass because I'm based in the States. They call it something else. But apparently on highways you need to have a certain pass, and I think on some roads you actually even have to scan it in, so that's why it's put there, so that way it just easily scans. So when you get into even Volvos today, they still have that. That truck's a boat. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.